Physics practical rooms can promote research activities better since apparatus are made openly accessible to children. In practical rooms, accessible and well-labeled apparatus are made available and ready for verification at any time by any child. Schools that offer physics can do well with a microphysics workshop to produce basic tools for project work. Tools invoke creativity and reasoning. Many children can develop ability to think creatively using tools. Students doing physics require tools to put their imagination into practical realities. Basic tools are necessary for designing project work. They challenge children to search for practical knowledge. A physics toolkit can empower children to learn how to mend or repair basic apparatus in their school laboratories. Manual duties and skills in physics. Balance and stability. Engage children in various manual duties at home to promote practical work. Many house helps and home gardeners acquire appreciable work skills the same way. Most home helps acquire domestic education and practical life skills better than children of the same homes. Life skills on heat energy, stability, mixtures and quantities. Many practical life activities develop skills that promote practical understanding of many physics concepts. Practical understanding of physics comes by engaging children in more practical maneuverability of solids, both at home and in school. Life skills and physics applications. Linear motion, forces, stability, circular motion, levers. Many simple home and school duties promote physics and link it to many practical concepts in the career. The following simple activities promote or are linked to practical concepts in physics. Making a knot on a thread, adjusting a knob, mixing water and milk proportionately, tuning a radio station, replacing a bulb or a fluorescent tube, measuring amount of flour to make porridge, stirring tea to dissolve sugar, putting cells in a torch, replacing torch bulb, adjusting aerial for clear reception, emptying blocked water tank, sucking blocked sink, using vacuum flask, mixing hot and cold water for bathing, timing a boiling egg, balancing water on the head, quick walk with water in a trough, bending one side while carrying water in a bucket, making toys for play, making simple home tools for use. Let them realize that most of what they use back home are also available or applicable in physics laboratories, either directly or indirectly. Challenge them to link play with balancing acts needed for stability, equilibrium, and center of gravity. Play and the concept of pi. Children who rarely do basic practical activities back home may find many challenges using basic physics laboratory apparatus. Challenge them to link different plays and physics concepts like parallel forces and vectors, machines, forces, motion and structures. Traditionally, plays involving forces and machines were preserved for boys. Somehow this promotes their wide success in physics compared to girls. Challenge them to use the play to identify levers, forces, pivots, and principle of moments in physics. Some intellectually able children may avoid physics not because of inability to do the subject, but due to basic challenges associated with simple practical maneuverability they encounter in physics for the first time in life. A child with interest in physics-related careers should develop interest in managing and working with varieties of solid objects and tools, both at home and in school. What children require are tools and basic materials. To promote engineering skills, challenge them to make their own toys and tools instead of buying ready-made toys for them. Impact of poor practical skills. When teachers are less exposed to practical activities in childhood, they may avoid doing practical activities they never learned. Children denied adequate practical concepts in schools may become less skilled future teachers. Schools with poor stocked laboratories can also prepare less skilled science teachers of tomorrow. Based on theoretical testing method, a bright child can pass physics exams even without adequate exposure to physics practical activities in school. Don't carry forward problems in practical skills from teacher to child. Improve practical testing and evaluation to make all schools value practical science. This is NatureNet School.